I'm very excited to share with you all our newest listing that's going to be hitting the market this week. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the heart of Pembroke Pines, located at 11306 Taft Street. It's going to go up for sale for $310,000. It is fully renovated, kitchen, bathrooms, lighting, and the best part is you have a beautiful lake view. It is in the heart of Pembroke Pines, close to all the supermarkets and schools that you're going to need, and it's going to sell fast. If you want to schedule a private tour, all you got to do is send us a DM at 305-439-6211 to schedule your private tour today. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and now let's go check out the inside.